हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है स्टडी एग्जाम में। बार बार पूछे जाने वाले जनरल साइंस के क्वेश्चंस याद कर लो, आप लोग सब लोग फायदे में रहोगे। दोस्तों, यहाँ मैं आपके सामने 50 जनरल साइंस के क्वेश्चंस बताने जा रहा हूँ आज आपको। ये ज़्यादातर हर एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं। फ्रेंड्स, इन क्वेश्चंस को आप लोग एक तरह से रट लो। आप लोग अगर रट लेंगे इन क्वेश्चंस को, आपके लिए बहुत ही फायदेमंद रहेगा। फ्रेंड्स, ये इतने बेसिक क्वेश्चन से हर एग्जाम में पूछते हैं। फ्रेंड्स, आप लोग का कल और परसों में डीआरडीओ के एग्जाम्स हैं, तो सो फ्रेंड्स आप लोग के लिए बहुत फायदेमंद है ये चीज़ आप लोग एक तरह से रट लीजिए। आप लोग रट लेंगे तो आप लोग के लिए बहुत ही फायदेमंद रहेगा ये चीज़। चलिए फ्रेंड्स, हम लोग आपके सामने क्वेश्चंस पेश करते हैं। 50 क्वेश्चन है, 50 क्वेश्चन पूरे आपके मुश्किल से 10 मिनट लगेंगे। आप लोग इस क्वेश्चंस को सारे रट लीजिए अच्छे से। 10 से 15 मिनट में आपको पूरे 50 क्वेश्चंस क्लियर हो जाएंगे। सो फ्रेंड्स, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चंस के साथ। पहला क्वेश्चन, विच एनिमल नेवर ड्रिंक्स वाटर इन इट्स एंटायर लाइफ? कंगारू, हिप्पोपोटामस, रैट or kangaroo rat? The correct answer is D, kangaroo rat. Kangaroo rat never drinks water in its entire life. Next question. What is the physical phase of life called? Protoplasm, cytoplasm, organelles? None of the above. The correct answer is A, protoplasm. Protoplasm is the physical phase of the life. The largest test cell is called what? Nerve cell, ovum, the egg of an ostrich? None of the above. Egg of an ostrich is the largest cell. What is the largest human cell? Liver, skin, spleen, or ovum? The correct answer is ovum. Question number 5. Dash is the longest cell. Nerve cell, skin, spleen, none of the above. The correct answer is a nerve cell. Question number 6. What is the name of cell in the body that engulf foreign particle like bacteria? A. Phagocytes. B. Globulin. C. Fibrinogen. D. Albumin. The correct answer is A. Phagocytes. Next question. There are dash number of muscles in human. Which option is correct? 638, 637, 639, 640. The correct answer is 639. C. Sorry friend. Next question. Question number 8. What is the lifespan of RBC? 130 days, 110 days, 100 days, or 120 days? The correct answer is 120 days. Next question. Next question. What is the lifespan of RBC? The lifespan of RBC is 120 days. Next question. What is the lifespan of WBC? 2 to 15 days, 3 to 15 days, 4 to 15 days, or 5 to 20 days? The correct answer is 2 to 15 days. Next question. Which is the vertebrate that has two-chambered heart? Fish, snake, blue whale, crocodile? The correct answer is fish. The number of ribs in a human body is how much? 23, 24, 25, or 22? The correct answer is B, 24. The number of ribs in human body is 24. Which is the smallest flightless bird? Kiwi, penguin, ostrich, or rhea? Answer is A, kiwi. Question number 13. Zoology is the study of what? Mosquitoes, snake, lizard, cockroach. Zoology is the study of lizards. Hormones are produced by which gland? Endocrine gland, pituitary gland, hypothalamus, pancreas. Correct answer is endocrine gland. A. Next question. Which of the following is the master gland? Thymus gland, pancreas, pineal gland, or pituitary gland? Correct answer is D, pituitary gland. What is the full form of ADH? Antidiuretic hormone, adhesive diuretic hormone, acidic diuretic hormone, adenosine double hormone? Correct answer is A, antidiuretic hormone. Next question. Question number 17. What is the normal value of blood sugar in the body? फ्रेंड्स, नॉर्मल वैल्यू ब्लड शुगर की क्या होती है बॉडी में, आप लोग यहाँ देख सकते हैं 80 to 120 मिलीग्राम टू 100 ml ऑफ ब्लड, और 70 to 120 मिलीग्राम 100 ml ऑफ ब्लड, 90 to 120 by 100 ml of blood, 60 to 120 by 100 ml of blood. Correct answer is 80 to 120 milligram per 100 ml of blood. Which is the largest blood vessels in the body? Alveoli, artery, aorta, vein? Correct answer is C, artery. Aorta. Next question. Which of the following carries impure blood? Pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, alveoli, or aorta? Correct answer is pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery carries the impure blood. Question number 20. Who had performed the world's first heart transplant? Dr. Venugopal, William Harvey, Christian Barnard, none of the above. Correct answer is C, Christian Barnard. Which of the following is not an allotrope of carbon? Diamond, graphite, furnace, glass. Correct answer is D, glass. Question number 22. What is the formula of sulfuric acid? H2SO4, SO2, Na2SO4, K2SO4. The correct answer is H2SO4. Question number 23. How are the following arranged in the periodic table? H, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, and boron. Arrange the periodic table. The options are given: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, and boron. A, hydrogen, lithium, helium, beryllium, boron. Hydrogen, helium, beryllium, lithium, and boron. Or D, hydrogen, boron, hydrogen, beryllium, helium, boron, and lithium. Correct answer is A, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, and boron. Question number 24. What is the number of periods in which periodic table is divided? 6, 7, 8, or 9? Correct answer is B, 7. Next question. There are dash groups in the periodic table. How many groups? 18, 17, 16, or 15? Correct answer is 18 groups in the periodic table. Question number 26. Which one of the following is not an element of noble gases? A, helium, neon, xenon, hydrogen. Correct answer is D, hydrogen. Question number 27. Mole is defined as the number of atoms found in how much of carbon-12? It's 11, 14, 10, or 12. Correct answer is 12 gram of carbon-12. Mole is defined as number of atoms found in 12 gram of carbon-12. Which one of the following is not a mixture? Steel, aluminium, graphite, or glass? Correct answer is C, graphite. फ्रेंड्स, इन क्वेश्चंस को आप लोग हल्के में मत लीजिएगा. जनरल साइंस है, जनरल साइंस के क्वेश्चन ऐसे ही आते हैं, ऐसे ही आसान क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं और आप लोग नहीं कर पाते हैं. सो फ्रेंड्स, इन क्वेश्चंस को आप लोग रट लीजिए. क्वेश्चन सामने है और आंसर भी है, आप लोग को रटने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. मैं बोलता जा रहा हूँ, आप लोग सुनते जाइए, वरना आप लोग भी इस चीज़ को कहीं नोट कर लीजिए और इस चीज़ को रिवाइज करते रहिए, रिविजन करते रहिए. ये आपके लिए बहुत ही परफेक्ट रहेगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एलॉयज आर व्हाट? Harder than the pure metal, harder than the impure metal, softer than the pure metal, softer than the impure metal. Correct answer is A, harder than the pure metal. Sorry friend. Next question. Question number 30. What is the name of the process in which oxygen is removed? The correct answer is reduction. The following options are given: oxidation, electrolysis, ionization, or reduction. The correct answer is reduction. In which months are kharif crops harvested? March to April, May to June, June to July, August to September, or October to November? Correct answer is E, October to November. October to November the kharif crops is harvested. फ्रेंड्स, क्रॉप्स के लिए बहुत ही बेसिक क्वेश्चंस इस टाइप के आते हैं कि कौन सी क्रॉप किस मंथ्स में आती है. रवि क्रॉप्स का भी आता है, खरीफ क्रॉप्स के भी आते हैं, अलग अलग क्रॉप्स के पूछे जाते हैं. तो फ्रेंड्स, इन क्रॉप्स के बारे में आप लोग जान के रखिए कि मतलब ये हर क्रॉप्स किस किस सीजन में होते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 32. व्हेन द लार्ज masses of bed rock slide quickly, the phenomena is called as landslide, earthquake, weathering, or withering. Correct answer is A, landslide. Which of the following animals do not have jaws? Mammals, protochordates, birds, fish. Correct answer is B, protochordates do not have jaws. 34. Dash eyes help cockroaches to see object all around them. What? Simple compound 180-degree overhead. Compound eyes help cockroaches to see all objects all around them. Jaundice exhibits the malfunctioning of which organ? Gallbladder, stomach, liver, long intestine. Correct answer is C. Liver. The oil in the wick of an oil lamp rises up due to the phenomena of difference in pressure, gravitational pull, capillary action, oil being lighter. Correct answer is C. Capillary action. Why are water droplets spherical? A. Sphere has smallest surface area of a given volume. B. To assume the largest surface area of the given volume. C. Intermolecular forces being very strong in water. D. Intermolecular forces being very weak in water. Correct answer is A. A sphere has a smallest surface area for a given volume. Question number 38. The water is in your area is hard. It means it is high concentration of two metal ions. Which ions are they? Correct answer is C. Calcium and manganese. Calcium and manganese option is the correct. The water in our area is hard. It means high concentration of two metal ions such as calcium and magnesium. Okay friends, next question. Question number 39. You want to convert biodegradable waste into a useful substance. What additional thing do you need? Viruses, algae, radioactive substance, or bacteria? Correct answer is D. Bacteria. Question 40. What causes biomagnification problem in the ecosystem? Lead, mercury, chromium, or copper? Correct answer is B. Mercury. Question number 41. Death in carbon dioxide atmosphere occurs due to what? Lack of oxygen, suffocation, destruction of tissues. It stops the functioning of brain. Correct answer is B. Suffocation. 42. This digestive juice has no enzymes. What is it called? Saliva, intestinal juice, bile juice, or gastric juice? Correct answer is C. Bile juice. Question number 43. The termination of fetus is called as delivery, abortion, parturition, or conception. Correct answer is B. Abortion. Question number 44. In case of thyroid malfunctioning, the level of which hormones get affected? TSH, cortisol, adrenal, or estrogen? The correct answer is A. TSH. Yeah. Next question. Which gland is affected by hypothyroid? Which gland is affected by hypothyroid? Pituitary, adrenal, thyroid, ovary. Correct answer is C. Thyroid. Thyroid gland is affected by the hypothyroid. The leaves of a tree. The leaves of a tree or plant are green due to presence of what? A. Chlorophyll, B. Green color, C. Nitrogen, D. Oxygen. The correct answer is A. Chlorophyll. Due to the chlorophyll, the leaves in trees plant are green due to presence of it only. Next question. Sun can also be termed as fission reactor, fusion reactor, radioactive reactor, or none of the above. Correct answer is B. Fusion reactor. Sun can be also termed as fusion reactor. Heavy water is used as a dash in nuclear reactor. A. Coolant, B. Moderator, C. Fuel, D. Catalyst. Correct answer is B. Moderator. Question 49. A solid needle when placed horizontally on surface of water did not sink. This happened due to phenomena of gravitational force, needle being light, surface tension, attraction. Correct answer is C. Surface tension. Seed will not germinate if there is no what? Soil, light, water, or heat. Correct answer is C. Water. Seed will not germinate if there is no water. Saying thank you friends for watching this video. Friends, do like, share, and subscribe this channel. Please press the bell icon so that you can get update from the all the videos which I upload on this channel. Thank you friends. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.